What is this?
Hey, Maya. What's wrong?
Don't play dumb with me. Is this some kind of joke? Why are you chatting with all these other girls?
Wait, let me explain.
No. You don't get to explain this away. How many of them are there, Alex? How many girls are you dating besides me?
Maya, it's not what you think. These are just…
Just what? Friends? Coworkers trying to be friendly? Come on, Alex, don't insult my intelligence.
Okay, you're right. They're not friends or coworkers. But
But what? There's always a but with you, isn't there?
Maya, please calm down. Let me talk.
I am calm. Perfectly calm. And I deserve to hear what you have to say.
Look, I can see how this looks. Chatting with other girls was a stupid thing to do. I shouldn't have done it.
So you admit it. There is more to this.
No, Maya, there isn't. I swear. It was just dumb flirting, nothing more.
Flirting? You call these messages flirting? Hey beautiful, what are you up to tonight? That's just harmless flirting?
I was bored, okay? I shouldn't have done it, and I'm truly sorry.
Bored? So you decided to entertain yourself by chatting up random girls? What about me, Alex? Weren't you bored with me?
Of course not. That's not what I meant at all. You know I love you.
Do I, Alex? Because lately, it feels like I don't know you anymore.
I know I messed up. I'll delete their numbers, block them, anything you want. Just please believe me, Maya. You're the only girl I want.
Actions speak louder than words, Alex. And right now, your actions are telling a very different story.
I know. I can't promise it won't ever happen again, but I'll do everything I can to earn your trust back.
Do you even understand how much you've hurt me, Alex?
More than you know. I never meant to cause you pain.
I don't know what to think right now. I need some time alone.
Maya, wait, I am literally sorry for this. I'll not do it anymore.
Okay, you just leave me alone. I'll think about what to do. This is just frustrating.
Sure, take your time, and kindly forgive me.
I'm going into my room, don't disturb me there. I just feel like talking to you right now.
I can totally understand what's in your mind. You just take time.
Don't follow me, okay?
Sure, Maya.